Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here are material wood, concrete, brick, natural stones, renewable, brickwork, walls and brickwork designs. Brickwork wall types and their hygrothermal behavior when insulated on the internal side. The brick wall date back 9,000 year brick production in Jericho. Sun-dried bricks made of mud from the Nile appeared very early in Egypt, and the first burnt bricks were used in Mesopotamia around 4000 BCE, leading to a formidable culmination 1,000 years later. Brickwork walls were also widespread in Persia, India, and in China, and later in the Islamic island in Western Europe. It was due to the Romans that use of bricks expanded, especially in wall construction. In the Middle Ages, centers for brick production emerged in Lombardy, France, and Germany. The usage of brick grew during the Romanesque and Gothic periods and continued into the Renaissance. The British were the first to introduce mechanical production of brickwork. Subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share my video with your family and friends. Interest on calcium silicate brickwork 413. The unbounded brick shrinkage reveals some degree of anisotropy, with shrinkage between bed traces being slightly less than 85% than shrinkage between header traces. Nevertheless, the corresponding lateral or horizontal shrinkage of the single leaf wall was almost the same as the vertical shrink. In the structural load bearing, brickwork was arguably the most common exterior building material for more than a century. Depending on the height and the load carried, external walls external walls may consist of multiple layers of brickwork with or without a cavity. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And thanks for watching my video.